talk a lot about content management systems, and finally, we are going to learn about what content management systems are. So, we talked about web developers writing their own code using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now, there are softwares out here that can help you design websites or develop websites rather by a drag and drop interface. And as you drop an element, it writes its own HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And that is how we are going to build our website. So, content management system is a software application or platform that allows users to create, manage, and publish digital content on the web, which provides a very user friendly interface and set of tools that facilitate the creation and organization of content. I'm going to save you all this theory and just skim through as you understand how websites are built. Examples of CMS include platforms like WordPress or Joomla. They are what we call self-hosted. It means that you can download it as a package, put it in your own machine, or put it in your own web server, and start developing your own website. Or cloud-based CMS like Wix, you guys have seen Shopify, Magento, Blogger, or by Google. It means that you are hosted on their own platform and then you map your domain to their platform. So CMSs can have more than one functionality. WordPress is also a cloud-based CMS in as much as it's self-hosted. So WordPress started as a blogging CMS in WordPress.com. So WordPress.com contains what we call the cloud-based CMS where you are hosted on WordPress. That's why when you create your website, you'll have, let's say, something like brightconsulting.wordpress.com. And you can download WordPress and put it in your own web server and have it installed on your own domain. It becomes self-hosted CMS, which is hosted at wordpress.org. So that is the difference between wordpress.com and wordpress.org. Wordpress.org has the self-hosted CMS. WordPress.com has got the cloud-based CMS. So web development basics, as I said before, till to date, web developers use HTML, which is what we call the hypertext markup language, which is the skeleton of a website. It provides the structure and content. You can consider, let's say, having a plan of a house. You just have the main structure. Then we have CSS, which is cascading style sheets, which adds the design to the structure. It's what controls the colors, the fonts, and more. It's like the clothing, or let's say the painting of that structure that we've built. Then we have JavaScript, which brings interactivity into the elements that you put on your website. Let's say if you have a button, just the button is a HTML. Then we can say we want this button to be rounded. We want to have this color. We want it, when we hover on it, it should grow in size. So that is what we call CSS. And then we can say if a user clicks this button, we want it to take them to this page, or we want it to fetch or submit this form. That is now what we call JavaScript. So basically in our house, JavaScript will be when I switch on this light, I want lights to come in. So CMSs come and simplify this whole development process by combining the three into a user-friendly interface, such that when you create a post, when you create a button, you can just customize as if you're on a drag and drop interface. Consider something like Canva, where you can just design your data, your button the way you would want it to be. So that's how CMSs come and simplify development. So you have content creation and editing. You can create posts on CMSs. We can organize and manage content. You can allow user management and permissions. You can add users on your dashboard. You can have templates and design customization such that you don't have to design from scratch. You can publish and schedule content. Let's say I want this blog post to publish on the 16th of March or whichever date. So we have what we call SEO optimization, where you can bulk update all your images to like pay their titles as alt tags so that they are visible online. We will go to that. And we have extensibility and integration. CMSs, they support third party extensions and plugins and modules, which make the design process very easy. So we're going to use WordPress, which is one of the widely used CMSs. It's an open source content management system means you don't pay for it. It's known for its user-friendly interface and extensive functionality. You can do generally everything with WordPress. So it was originally designed as a blogging platform, as I said, but it has developed into a CMS suitable for building various types of websites. It's highly scalable and it's used for both small blogs and websites to enterprise websites. So nobody should tell you because you develop websites with WordPress, you are not a developer. I've developed very big websites with WordPress, including government websites like NHIF.org.ke. Now it's revamped to SHA, including ISPAC, Institute for Certified Public Accountants of Kenya, a website with over 100 pages purely on WordPress. So after you've done this course, you will be much better placed to handle even enterprise websites. So advantages of WordPress, it has a very good user-friendly interface, which makes it easy. You can really customize WordPress. There's a lot of themes and templates. It has a big plugin ecosystem, more than any other CMS. So you can have a plugin for everything. Though the use of too many plugins is not recommended because it will slow down your website. Search engine optimization friendly. It is built with SEO best practices, so your site can really rank even without actually going extensively on SEO. There's an active community support in WordPress, which is very good, and it's very scalable and flexible, which can accommodate website of various sizes and complexities. It has its disadvantages. It's complex for beginners, of course, when you're getting to start something and you're not used to that database, to that interface, it will be complex to you. But lucky for you, we are going to go step by step and you will actually love it. Security risks, anything that is popular has security risks. So it's a target for hackers. Maintenance and updates, it requires regular maintenance and updates. You have plugins that are updated almost weekly, and WordPress itself has a lot of updates. Plugin compatibility, um, there can be compatibility issues between different plugins, which can bring errors in your website. Performance and speeds, if you have too many plugins, it will slow down your performance. So it has a lot of performance issues when you have, let's say, poorly optimized or poorly written plugins. So learning curve for customization, even though it has a wide variety of themes and templates, making a customization may require deeper understanding of HTML, CSS, and PHP. So WordPress heavily relies on themes and plugins crafted by third-party developers. And I'll teach you how to do your own templates using Elementor. I don't use themes. So despite these disadvantages, WordPress is the go-to-go CMS for building websites.